Okay, welcome back to Blender. So, today we're making a checkered fur pattern. So let's go with delete on the default cube, change the render engine from Eevee to cycles. We're going to add a plane on here. So let's go S for scale. And we'll go down to the shading tab right here. Let's go with new. We get the principal BSDF right here, material output. We will go to add, and we will go checker texture. So we're going to go colour to base colour, and we'll change this one to black on here, and we'll have white on the other side. So once we've got something like this, let's go ahead back to our layout section, and we will go ahead to the particles. Sorry, not the particles. Should be. Hold on. Let's change the render engine. We definitely changed that. I'm pretty sure. That's weird. Should be particles. Okay, yeah, sorry. So we'll go emitter, and we've got hair right here. Let's go ahead and add on a couple of extra zeros, just that hair. We'll go to children, interpolated. Put the hair length down somewhat. I've had a long day. So, we've got something like this. Let's go to the render version, and we have this nice little checkered pattern going on with some hair in the middle. Now we can go ahead and add in an extra zero if you wanted to the hair. That's totally up to you, so it fills it in a little bit more. Kind of looks more like a rug, but there is your checkered pattern fur and hair. You can go ahead and change the kink on this if you want to, so we could go with wave. Excuse me. And this should give it just a little bit of variation within the particles itself. So I would say just experiment with clumps, the aptitude, the roughness and the clumping as well. So clumping is just here, so you can clump this up just a little bit more. When the computer responds. So, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in. We should generally have something that looks like this, where it's kind of nicely brushed to one side. Yeah, I kind of like that. So this is kind of like a nice little piece, say like for a hallway or something like that. Yeah, so if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.